Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 20. The Alternative Site Model to Promote Affiliate Offers. In this video, we will take a look at the alternative site model to promote affiliate offers, step by step. So let's get started. So on Google, let's search for Camtasia Alternative and here we get all the related results. Let's open this one alternative80.net. Here you can see all the Camtasia alternatives. On top, you can see the path. Let's click on this videos and movies and here you can see all the videos and movies apps. Below we have more app suggestions. Back on Google, let's search for Doodly Alternative. Let's open a few links from results. So on the first page, you can see so many alternatives. On top, you can see the 3 most popular alternatives, and below you have a complete list with demo and pricing options with affiliate links. They have entered their affiliate links in that pricing option. Let's open one from the list. Here you can see details about it and below you have more apps with visit website and pricing buttons with affiliate links. A little below, let's click on this visit website button. So this is the app's official sales page from where you can buy the app and make that affiliate a commission. Next is, top best alternatives for Doodly. A little below you can see the Doodly alternatives list with a show details button. Click on this for more details. This page has an official website button with the affiliate link. Click on it to visit the website page. Or you have many options on this page to choose from, all have affiliate links in them. So this is how the alternative site model works to promote affiliate offers. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 21. How to promote digital product with review blog model. In that video, we will take a look at how to promote digital products with a review blog model, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.